Penn Zero's Rocket Slideshow. Next. Yo! Where are you, Max? Yeah. The prison.
Who said that? Over here.
No, it's a treasure. We have any money. Hello.
I can see for miles.
Yeah, what a good future.
Wow, really? Oh, you're so sweet.
You're sweet too.
Oh, thanks, stranger.
But not too sweet. There's also a salty, gamey
You little Penn Zeros.
Yeah, come on,
It's just like snailed.
Yeah, that's it. Just step
The
over
pile bones.
Pile of bones.
You will friend.
I sure hope Max is safe.
You're a very thoughtful food. Food? I didn't say that. I said friend. I meant food. Friend. You know what I meant.
I am sure lucky I found you.
Tiberius. And yes,
I won't have the goods. Take the sandwich. Take my food. Yikes! What I missed? Tragedy.
Sorry.
You should be sorry. You deserve to be locked up.
You did not.
I can't help it.
Though in Penn Zero's rocket. You're right and not selfish. You do selfish, and like after.
I have no friends. Nobody.
What's wrong? Terrorists! Don't cry! I'm sorry! What do you now?
Please take off the chain. This time I'll help you, I promise.
Tiberius, this is gonna sound completely horrible, but I don't fully trust you.
What's wrong, terrorists? Yeah, whatever.
If you are just a lonely old bird, and you do have weird manners because you live in a weird shed on a roof, so I'll tell you what. If
You find Max.
I'll
I'll
be
be
your
the best friend.
Best friend?
Penn Zero's rocket.
Yes, that sounds nice. Let's do this.
Okay.
So what is this
Guys, look like.
Brown and white. He's a short hair.
Don't worry, always Penn Zero's rocket to be released on the word. I'll pour out even. When I take it like technology, who's the guy I can look at the rocket ship?
Put on the hood and
Quit it,
pretend to
please.
be me.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, boy, say it.
The smell is disgusting. Lee good.
Outside here.
Love it here.
What's the password? I said, what's the password? Password! This Zero's rocket. Yeah.
And your leader. The leader.
Your password! Penn Zero's rocket! I do like it. It's bananas! Don't laugh at the bananas!
Follow me.
Welcome.
To the later. The fresh piss. Brothers and sisters, we go up the each other. The Pooey Bear, the neighborhood. What's good with us? We have you.
Tell the whole story about how you took out your own. Don't leave out nothing. We love gory detail here.
Oh, yeah.
Tell us.
Right, so tell us.
Max,
Okay, so I was like, well, we were like, take that. Yeah, stupid owner. So that's who you're dealing with.
And that story bored me to death.
Boring.
Give us detail.
Okay.
Max said,
Well, so there's this thing in the kitchen. Yeah, table. It's like flat.
toast. I ran
There's
one.
the end of it.
Boom,
Yes, spoon. Exactly.
You can't hurt someone with a spoon.
boom, scoop, spoon. Two gloves for the go. I the window spoon, had fork. You can't see it.
Right. And it's got those
Oh! Was it a blender? Woo! You blended somebody! He talking about the blender, guys.
I sent to the blender.
Hey, buddy, I don't ask what it's called. We just kill with it. But it was a blender.
Woo! Y'all hear this? You know who was like this?
Ricky.
Rest in peace. Ricky was the only soldier I had that was ready to kill humans on sight. Everybody else need a pep talk. Not these two brothers. See, all of us have suffered at the hands of man. I mean, take me for instance. I was a magician's rabbit at the kids' parties. But then...
Don't duck. Duck. Oh no. Sent to hunt. The city believed.
From his life.
I lived in a tattoo parlor. The trainees
Orange blossom hour.
until they ran out of space.
I mean, yes, humans say they love us, but then they turn around and throw us out like garbage. Ain't that right?
The monkeys.
Hey, I thought we don't look like the ass. Yeah. All right.
Show my app. A cat. Take a cat like the bunny.
Summon the blender!
Don't want to release. Don't want to release. All right, Showburger. Dora!
Where is he?
With the Penn Zero's rocket.
I ain't saying nothing.
You're gonna tell us.
This shows now. Wait on this is Penn Zero's rocket. I know where I'm going. You tell me. You just give me. Not go a second. What is it? How we go to learning to bat. Yeah, we got a baseball bat. Don't put a baseball bat.
Tell me.
I couldn't. Let me finish.
You fixed. No more baseball back into the lefty.
Okay. He's in the sewers. He got taken, please. Have mercy. Adorable puppy dog.
Don't worry. It's good to myself. I'm pretty good. I'm happy to get here. Go to the garden. Tired. Rage. Oh. Well, let's go first.
Yeah, okay, here's the thing though. I mean, it's
Tiny dog.
Tiny dog. Tiny dogs. Usually, tiny dogs.
Look, between you and the fat dog, I like you the best.
oh, thank you.
What's good with tiny dogs?
TD's going first.
No, 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 please, no, 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 stop, shh.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna have the cats.
Domestic? Yeah, we just dumped those two in the alley. Slashed off their collars. No, that's not true. You said you burned your collars.
Well, burned, lost, had them stolen by cats. It's all just words, really, isn't it?
You don't deserve to be barked by a viper.
Oh, we'll just show ourselves out.
You deserve to be eaten by the viper.
Get rid of this viper. No, I don't want to eat you, but break right heart. I'm gonna get stitches like a big around. Penn Zero's rocket. No, second words. Had Zero's rocket. Ooh. Oh, with your sick, we're gonna use Penn Zero's rocket. Going. Alright.
The second viper? He's a blackjack.
Yikes! Shut up! We're gonna go video this time. So, what about Penn Zero's rocket? You typically gonna.
People vipers, technically, you might actually deserve this. This might be something that was long overdue. But it shouldn't have came like this. Not on my watch.
Don't even. What are you up to? I'm sorry. We have to go in now. We are the pattern. Penn Zero's rocket. This is a moment. Get around the knot. If you don't understand, hold your breath. Yo! No! Penn Zero's rocket. Are you sure that it's happened?